This JTS Mortgage Minute is brought to you by JTS & Company Mortgage Brokers.
Welcome back, everyone. Jeff Farnham joins us now with the JTS Mortgage Minute. Jeff, good to see you.
Yeah, you too, Bill. Good to see
with
you.
JTS being the best local resource for our veterans to get their VA mortgage, what's the best? Let's discuss now the Streamline Refinance.
Yeah, that's a great program that a lot of veterans don't even know exists or they have available to them. But under the VA Streamline Refinance, or what's called an interest rate reduction loan, a veteran can come in and very easily lower their term, maybe shorten the mortgage term up, lower their interest rate, and put themselves in a much better position than where they currently are.
What are some of the differences between Streamline Refinance and regular or traditional refinance?
Well, under a traditional refinance, you go through a process of ordering appraisals and doing those kind of things, evaluating it, and you can get some cash out. There's different things you can do under that scenario. The Streamline is specifically designed to lower the mortgage payment, reduce the term. Under that program, you don't always have to have an appraisal. In some cases, we can get by without doing that. So it's a little bit cheaper cost to do the Streamline versus the traditional VA refinance as well.
What are the requirements to qualify for this?
Well, one of the main requirements we look at is what's your mortgage history. You can't have any more than one 30-day late in the past 12 months on the mortgage. You have to be current. A lot of times that's the only thing we look at inside the credit criteria of it. You have to have had a previously VA loan, and you had to previously occupy the property as your primary residence. Not necessarily at this time do you have to be in it, but you had to previously do that, and it had to be a VA loan before.
Now, if somebody wanted to get started today, what should they do?
Really just a very simple process like we always have. Jump on our website, call our office, stop by. You can do it, make it very easy. We got real excited. We're going to roll out a new piece of technology next week that's going to make it even easier to apply. But it's a very simple process to get in there and get pre-qualified for it.
Early in this new year, what are the rates looking like?
We had a nice little reprieve last week on the mortgage rates. It's kind of softened up. We'd been on kind of an upward trend since the election, and things have kind of been holding up. We saw a little bit of pressure come off the bond market last week. Rates settled back down just a little bit, not a lot. We're still in the low fours, upper threes, depending on the type of loan you're doing, whether it's 30-year and the mid-threes on the 15 years. Still very, very low mortgage rates historically compared to what you've seen over an average mortgage rate over historical averages.
Good information as always, and if you want more information, you can give them a call at 329-9090 or visit their website at jts-co.com. Jeff, good to see you.
Yep, good to see you, Bill. Thank you.
Take a break. Come back with more in just a moment.